Alright guys, Portland traffic. Loud enough for everybody to hear me. Portland right here. You guys know you love the city, the Rose City. I like that guy. Burnside Bridge. I should go check out the skate park sometime. Take you guys down there. We rode by there the other day, but we just rode right by it. What are we doing here? Oh, you suckers! Little Rottweiler. I love me some dogs. I love the owner a little bit more if you go a little faster. Oh, turn in for me. There you go. Gonna come up here to MLK in a second. I just like to be in the center lane so in case cars are coming in or out, and I'll switch over when I need to. Like now. You guys stand up whenever you guys go over bumps? I do, especially if I notice the last second. Like that. Oh. They did not see me. I'm gonna wave to her. Almost hit me. It's all good though. I'm evasive. I keep in my mirrors. I know where everybody's at. Just because she can't drive doesn't mean I can't. Over there sipping her drink. Oh. All right, make this two-part. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.